Between driving you to your final destination, keeping you safe and comfortable, and playing your favorite tunes, your car truly does it all. Trying to understand it all, though, can get pretty difficult, but that's where we come in. At Toyota of Clermont, our Becoming an Auto Service Expert video series is here to help you better understand how your car works. Today, we're going over how to troubleshoot your car's air conditioning system. Your vehicle's AC system is an essential component that most of us can't live without. There's nothing worse than driving around in the stifling heat and having no cold air to help the situation. While we won't get into the finer details of how your AC system works, we'll leave that up to our auto service techs, we'll give you a little crash course. Your car's air conditioning system works by channeling refrigerant through a variety of hoses, valves, and a compressor. Refrigerant will transition back and forth between gaseous and liquid states. Eventually, it makes its way to the evaporator where it cools air that's blown through a fan. This cycle repeats over and over and keeps your vehicle cool. Now it's time for troubleshooting. If you're suspicious that your AC is having issues, here are a few things to look out for. Your AC isn't blowing air at all. The air coming out of the vents is the wrong temperature. There's a bad smell coming out of the AC vents. Or your air starts out cold but then gradually warms up without you changing the temperature. Your AC system could be running into issues like leaks, low freon level, malfunctioning compressor or fan, or mold or mildew buildup. Whatever the problem is, our auto service techs can get you back on the road in no time. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Becoming an Auto Service Expert. Make sure to always check your AC system with these troubleshooting tips, and if anything happens, then you should swing by our Auto Service Center at Toyota of Clermont. Our auto service experts can help answer your questions and get your ride cool again. Visit us at 16851 State Road 50 today.